Hello, this is Elizabeth, the Filipina Girl Next door. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. If you are not, welcome back. My husband and I are outside. It's really nice out here. I apologize about my nasally voice. My husband and I got hit by a COVID. So right now, as I'm making this video, just let you know, we do have a COVID. But it's affecting me. It seems like a really bad cold, and I'm controlling it by Sudafed. Yeah, and I am wearing robe on top of my back brace. Not because I hurt myself. I fell off the step ladder at work last week, and so ambulance came and took me to the hospital and found out that I did break one of my vertebrae on my lower back. Next month I will have a evaluation, see if I needed surgery or not. I was hoping I don't need, surgery. Hopefully I will be fine. My husband is burning some of the branches that's scattered all over our yard. So yeah, it's really nice out here. So get some vitamin D. Anyway, the video that is gonna follow this is just an introduction. My friend Melanie just came from Cebu, Philippines, and this video is about our bonding together. And this video was taken actually before my accident. So I hope you stick around. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below, please. I don't know, say something. We can communicate that way. And if you haven't subscribed to my video, please do. By subscribing this video, you are helping my channel, and you're helping one kid from Philippines. His name is Todong, 8 years old. This channel is helping him go to have a better education and plus more. So stick around. I hope you like it. Please give it a thumbs up, okay? And we'll see you next time. Thank you. Please enjoy this video.
Oh my gosh!
She's crazy like that.
I'm so crazy like this kasi girly ang
I love your hair.
Ha?
Your hair is so
pinaayos ko na before
lande.
Kasi nga i-video diya. Uy, kaya ako ngala-ngala diya.
Ngala-ngala.
Horny. Totoo naman, hindi pa i-edit mo yan ah.
Oh, hindi. Bawal. Bawal i-edit. Anyway, where are we going?
Alright, we're gonna go for lunch.
You wanna go to Cheddar's?
Cheddar's?
Yeah.
You feel like having Cheddar's or somewhere else? Somewhere new.
Where you wanna go?
I actually don't know.
We'll go to Cheddar's. Oh no, we'll go to a Cheesecake Factory.
Alright, isn't that nice?
You wanna go to Cheesecake Factory? Closer to the mall.
We're gonna go malling. Girlie, I so miss you.
I wanna go. No.
Where?
Let's go to Panera Bread. Let's go to TJ Maxx. I gotta get something from TJ Maxx.
Okay. Panera Bread for lunch.
You want a Panera Bread? I don't know. It's easy. Where are you? You're not on there.
Okay, so we're gonna for this. Girlie, natotoo lagi yung ano natin.
Yeah, lagi
The
totoo.
idiot vloggers, no?
Yeah,
Grabe, oy, oh.
Anyway, we're gonna go to Panera Bread.
Panera Bread or Cheesecake Factory?
Well, because there's no TJ Maxx there. Is there TJ Maxx?
Okay. Anywhere.
We're gonna go to Council Bluffs.
Okay.
Your favorite.
Yeah.
There's a lot of malls there. There's Target.
Yes,
There's
I
TJ
know,
Maxx.
right?
So we're gonna go to
Which one?
the Panera Bread, and then we're gonna go to TJ Maxx because I gotta get something.
Okay, that sounds good. I think I'm gonna find something there too. Oh my God,
She's my mall partner.
Yeah, right. It's been how long?
It's been 2 years since the COVID.
2 years, right?
Yeah.
ayusin ko muna yun.
So, the reason why I started vlogging, because
Yeah.
my husband got COVID and I ended up
Oh.
staying with him for 2 weeks.
So that turns out to be a positive result for you guys, huh?
Yeah, and he wasn't really sick. But we have to like stay at home. So I figure I'm on YouTube all the time, so I started vlogging.
Nice!
And then it took off, so I met a lot of people, good people.
I love it.
Yeah, and we're supposed to do that together.
I know,
we're
right?
gonna continue.
So it's a dream come true for you, and for me, I'm not so sure about it because I'm not so good about computer.
Oh, I can teach you. It's so easy.
Actually, I started one because our staff in the office, remember HINTZ?
Yeah.
She teach me on how to do it, but I still need to practice on learn more about editing because not good
Editing is
about it.
time consuming.
Right.
Editing is time consuming. That's the
Right.
part I don't like. A lot of people just do live stream so they don't have to edit, but
I think that's much more easier, right?
yeah, but
I'm actually planning to go online selling, remember? Kasi love to
oh,
shop.
there you go.
So
you
that's
can do
that's actually my
Mine,
goal
mine,
na,
mine. Yeah,
right?
that's good.
Sinong magmamahal?
Sino magmamahal?
We'll do that, girly, kasi it's like very good.
She's gonna show her cleavage so she can sell a lot.
So I'll have to have my boob job done.
Yeah.
So from cup B to E.
Enormous.
Enormous.
Oh, dito? That's good. So we're going to Panera Bread, guys. That's it. See.
No, guys, I'm so lucky to have a Bessie, and now I'm planning my Christmas gift. Hold on. Give me a second. Girlie, thank you so much.
Of course.
My heart is full of gratitude. Oh, I know. Pero
Yeah, I was
grabe
like,
yan,
what the
ah.
heck is this?
Huh?
You might not like it. You can give it back to me.
Ha? Ayon. Sigurado hindi yun mangyayari. Excited ako, girlie. Anong laman to? Baka gold bars to, ha?
Sabi ko na nga ba eh.
Oh my God.
Gold bars.
Oh my God. Grabe na to. Kuya na. Sorry natin. Ako
Oh,
pa,
shit.
girlie. Ulit ko muna, ha? Kasi masyado na akong spoon.
Sige. Wow. Check this out.
Healthy breakfast. Sige, mag-cheese muna ako kasi masyadong maano sa labas. Oh my God! Look at that guy!
Pareho kayo ni Sai ng gift. Kaya ito hindi napansin mo, Sai? Nakuha ko yung sa kanya. Pero pareho kayo.
How lucky I am, huh?
Yeah, open it.
Bongga talaga ng basic ko.
Whatever.
Grabe na talaga to. Oh!
Oh, diba? Sobra bango niyan.
Spoiled ako talaga, girly, ha?
So you have
Girly!
you have a little perfume.
As in, I have... I like Clinique.
I know, me too.
Oh, smells good, girly. Smells good.
Yeah.
Yay!
The other one is raw.
Buti na lang, bumalik ako dito, no?
Yeah, right? There's another one there.
Another one pag good. Ay, grabe na to, oy. Ano din to?
I think that's spray. Para sa
spray
purse mo.
din.
Yeah. Pareho lang yan. Maliit na
Mm,
Yeah, pareho.
smells good. Love you, girlie.
I think the other one is lotion.
I think this is,
Lotion.
hand cream.
Hand cream.
Hindi na, sa laki, grabe. Ay, girlie, thank you so much, ha. Touch ko da. Hambig yun, as in. Ate Zai, I have your gift.
So, pareho kayo na. Ang naano ko lang. You got the same gift as Sai.
Thank you, girlie.
You're welcome.
Kainit ako.
Open the other one. Open the other
The
one.
other one, pag yun, grabe na. Alaon. Bongga talaga.
Patingin.
Grabe naman to. Ano to, girlie? See? Ang bongga talaga ng basic ko. Look at that, ha? LV. Thank you, girlie. Ay! Ano to? OMG! Wala, girlie ha? Ano na talaga, girlie? Wala na talaga akong masabi.
Ayan, di ba?
Talaga,
Eh, sabi kin, it looks good on your blue
hold on, I will wear this now. Ahilak mo sa goani, oy.
Oh,
I wanna
goodness, ang
cry.
ganda. Bagay na bagay sa'yo. Ay, buhok mo yellow.
Buhok ko yellow.
Gold.
Necklace ko yellow.
Yeah.
Buti na lang ngipin ko hindi yellow. Oh my God. Girly ba? Grabe cute.
Okay lang.
Na-touch ako talaga. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Oh my God.
Lande. So we got the same food.
OMG.
What are you selling me today?
Actually, I'm selling myself. Will you buy me?
No.
Pamahin, please.
Free.
May dala ka ba? Pamahin ha. Wait ha. Kasi I have a friend who's coming. She's gonna bring a lot of stocks. So this one is MK2001. 2001. Pamahin, please.
Please, how much? Sasabihin mo yung presyo?
Hindi.
Hindi mo sasabihin.
Ano sinasabi ba?
Patingin.
Tingnan natin.
Now,
Hi guys.
so we're just having a coffee.
Yeah.
So this is it for us. We'll see you later, Mel.
See you later. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm very happy that you are following my best friend YouTube channel, and I wish you all good luck and blessings.
Please like and subscribe.
Please like and us girly. Hindi lang girly. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and see you in our next vlog. So delete na dulu.
It's gonna be in bloopers. See you on our next video. Bye.
Hey guys, thanks for watching Filipina Girl Next Door. If you could, leave a like or leave a comment, or if it's really good to you, maybe you could subscribe. It really helps my mom out a lot, so if you could, that'd be awesome. Thank you.